You hear that? That's opportunity, and it's calling you. Hurricane Express is looking for experienced drivers who want to take charge of their careers and join our team. Hurricane operates the best trucks in the business, and they're customized with all the modern comforts needed for life on the road. With steady freight demand and a straightforward payment structure with no hidden fees, Hurricane drivers have the potential to earn more than $100,000 a year. And if you want to own your own rig, Hurricane can help with first-class equipment and affordable terms. It's time to answer the call and take charge of your career. Apply now at drivehurricane.com.